Today, we're looking at how to use customer reviews on your social media. This is iKiller. They're a digital marketing agency, and they are based over in Bangor. And what they use social media for, obviously, is to show off, like their customers and the kind of work that they do, to entice more people, obviously, to enlist their services. But what they've done with this one here, and they've done it with a couple of posts, is that the caption talks about a company that they've worked recently for and thanks them for their service, and then then shows the actual review on the video. So let's take a little look at it. So what you'll see is a little image that shows here. I'll pause it for a second. So it shows iKiller deliver visionary design, technical competence, SEO expertise, and excellent project management to create best of breeds websites. You can see here they've actually shown the website there, and they've gone into a lot of detail with the gorgeous video in the background. They've done it really branded, but also shows off their customer as well. And as you can see, the team are very proud to receive some great feedback from Global Travel Brand. They've tagged them in. Take a closer look at this huge redesign and replatform project from iKiller team, and then they've done the link to the website. So for me, it's I guess it's a really good way of showing off the review. It shows how you actually processed and how you created the work itself, and it's and by popping the review over the top, it kind of creates comfort and intrigue all at the same time, and it entices the actual customer to be able to want to, I guess, like to engage with it as well, and by tagging them in. And as you can see in one of the comments as well, they have responded back by saying thank you. We really enjoyed working with you. So again, it's a different take on being able to use customer reviews on your social media. Now, if I was iKiller, what I would want to do is to create maybe a group of all of my customers. So, they do that kind of thing quite regularly. So to create a group of all of my customers, and then I would add them into maybe. And then by doing that in here, so you can just create a group and then you would choose it. So I'm just going to choose a random one here. You would choose the group, and then what you can see is basically all of their customers' more recent posts. You can literally go in and they can like it, they can comment on it, they can even recreate the post and share it on their own social media. So it shows you that they're engaging with their customers. It shows that that they don't have to go across all the platforms to go and find that content to engage with, and it just makes life much easier. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We love to help.